Some mornings don't need anything extraordinary, just a quiet walk, warm sunshine, and the feeling that life is giving you another fresh beginning. Summer has a way of slowing me down. Instead of rushing, I find myself noticing the little things, the flowers blooming one by one, the sound of the birds, and how peaceful home can feel. Every morning, watering my garden reminds me of something important. We can't force flowers to bloom. We simply care for them every day. And one morning, they surprise us. Maybe our own lives work the same way. When I come back inside, Rashmi and Evie are waiting for me. They don't care if I had a busy day or a difficult one. Their happiness is so simple, and somehow they remind me to appreciate the little moments. Rashmi, why are you hiding there? Why? Rashmi girl? Evie, Evie, are you hiding? Hiding. I can see you. Breakfast today is Bombay Toast. Just eggs, onion, green chilies, and bread. Sometimes the simplest food carries the biggest memories. One bite can take you back to childhood, to family, to a place that still lives in your heart, no matter how far you are. At the grocery store, I found fresh green mangoes. I hadn't planned on making mango kimchi, but that is the one thing I enjoy about cooking. Sometimes inspiration finds you when you least expect it. A simple ingredient becomes an excuse to try something new. For lunch, I chose salmon, asparagus, and sweet potato. Not because healthy food is always exciting, but because taking care of ourselves is one of the quietest forms of self respect. Balance isn't about giving up the food we love, it's about making room for both nourishment and comfort. Life doesn't always have to be exciting. We often wait for big moments to feel happy. But I have learned that joy quietly lives in ordinary days. A peaceful morning, a homemade meal, the golden light of a summer evening. Thank you for spending this beautiful day with me. I hope this little piece of my life brings you a moment of calm and reminds you to appreciate the simple blessings that surround us every day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next vlog.